All right, guys, here we are up close and personal with the Vitera from Fisher and Paykel. As we swing around here, you can see the new VentiCool headgear. This headgear is designed to keep you nice and cool during the night. So if you're one of those people who gets hot flushes, I know I do, then this headgear is going to really promote keeping your head nice and cool over night time. It's great for moisture transfer, and you get a lot more airflow with this headgear. You can see here these straps also, where you're doing a lot of the adjustment, have these nice little tabs that they've put on. Just makes it easy to actually find where to grab it from, so you can, really love this Velcro as well. It just doesn't die on you. So really nice headgear, really durable headgear. You can sort of see the profile of the mask as we swing around. Here's your exhalation port here at the top. There's your mask frame. So they've redesigned the mask frame a little bit, and then you sort of have this T-bar at the top here. Now, although this is a bit annoying, the fact that it comes up in front of your eyes here is very important because it provides great stability for the mask. So this mask is renowned for having excellent mask seal, and part of that's because it has great headgear, a great seal, this Roll Fit XT seal. It's a new seal, but very similar to the simplest seal. But that, coupled with this great mask frame, gives you excellent stability during the night time. So you're not going to be battling with a whole lot of mask leaks with this mask. All right, but that's your Vitera. You can see here this elbow's got a lot of movement. So when you're moving around with that tube attached to it, it's got some nice play to it, and it's going to be going wherever you're going. All right, let's take